morning you guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 24. Zach and I have had a slow, chill morning this morning, but we are getting started with our tasks for the day. So we're going to start with these piles of clothes that need archiving and sending to the house. So that needs to be done, and then we can sort. There's loads of stuff we've just let hang around where it shouldn't, so then we'll clear up after that. Look how many hangers we've won back. Yay! We've got boxes, a couple of boxes, stuff. So guys, I forgot to properly show you my jacket yesterday, but here we are. It obviously will look a bit better if I wasn't wearing pyjamas underneath it, but I am loving it, and I am going to take it somewhere though, see if we can get some of this shearling cleaned and make it smell slightly less like a vintage shop. And I also got these, which I didn't show you. I'll pop them on for you when I've got makeup on, because I'm sure that if I put them on now they'll just look rubbish. I love them, they're actually really flattering shape. Okay guys, so we're pretty much all cleared up. I had a shower and got ready because I feel like I needed it. You know, some days you're like, right, I need to get ready for the day, or I'm just going to slob around. So I got ready for the day. Look, this is probably the neatest it's looked since the beginning of Vlogtober actually. Just getting things cleared up. I'm going to try and sort out our desk and stuff as well, because it's impossible to work on at the minute. The hallway's a mess. I'm not going to show you that because that's our like limbo zone at the moment for various different things that need repairing, some last things to give away, some rubbish. We're going to take these boxes to the house now and all of the rest of the stuff and just sort it out there a little bit, and then probably go and pick up a couple things that we need just for paperwork, which is boring, and then come back here and do some editing. So guys, we've arrived at the house. It's me. I can't remember, well, the last time I was here at night time was when we'd actually first bought it in the summer, so it feels kind of like a different vibe. But this is one of the mirrors. It's very nice. Nice gold mirror. Well, we've got two. So we've got this one, and we've got this one, which obviously is still wrapped. But I think probably one of them could go above our fireplace here in this room, and then one of them in our bathroom, because I think we're gonna have a fireplace in there. This is our kudu, all packaged up, as you can see. Currently need to get a mount or a stand for it, because I think, yeah, we'd rather that than have it on the wall. That'll be one of the first things we need to do, I think, because I don't really like the idea of it sitting on the floor in here, to be honest. I never did a B&Q haul for you guys, so I'm going to show you what we got. We got 2 hammers, mostly not really for hammering, but for the claw bit. Where's my one? Oh, it's there. 2 sets of goggles, mostly because we want to be cool. Some goggles, keep the eye safe, gloves, some masks, and some like protective suit thingies. But that's pretty much it. Various other things that I think we'll probably need, like to handle the wallpaper, we need sanding stuff, but we just thought we'd go for the carpets first. So we got some nice grippy gloves to help us. We've done it a million times. But here are our foibles. We don't yet know what we're going to do about these, whether we're going to keep these suckers. Depends on how damaged they are, I think. They are really loud as well. Obviously we have rugs, but still, like, there's a certain amount of loudness, which I don't know if we can take them up and then put some insulation down or something to make them less loud, but that seems like a lot of effort as well. But whatever we do, if we get new floorboards, we'll do some reclaimed wood or something so that it looks old, because I don't want it to look new. So we're missing one piece. I had 2 rails, one 4-foot, one 6-foot, and we're missing a piece from our 6-foot rail. I think I had a couple of 2-foot ones as well, which I must have not kept. These were my big ones. But yeah, we're missing a piece, so, but it's okay. We don't really need the second rail at the moment. The 4-foot rail's fine, but we will need it when we do like a filming setup for me. So Zach will need to get himself back to the farm. No, you're getting yourself confused there, darling. Got a very delicious smelling package from Kiehl's. don't know what's inside. Looks kind of Christmassy. Got the Ultra Facial Cream, a lip treatment, body cream, and I think this is what smells. It's lavender soap. Smells amazing. Hi my love. So it's 1:04. I really pushed myself through today. I really didn't feel like doing any of the things that were on my list, but as I said yesterday, Zach and I have accomplished 2 big things today. We've done the dressing room so it finally looks halfway decent. Got the clothes to the house, but more importantly for my heart and soul, I feel like we have finally finished the edit on these pictures from the shoot that we did a few weeks ago. I am pleased with them. You guys are going to see them and be like, you spent so long kind of toying with various edits of those pictures, and I'll be like, yeah, we did. You wouldn't believe it, but we did. Anyway, I'm so pleased and happy that we have done that, because it was weighing heavily on my mind and really needed doing. So both those things are off the list now, which I just had to delete some footage off the camera because of course my memory card is full, so if I look like I'm in a different position, I am. But anyway, what was I saying? Yes. Thirdly, I've actually made some serious progress with my book whilst Zach was editing, so I think I'm about over 50 pages from the end. I'm kind of tempted to just read into the night and finish it because I think it will make me feel so much better. And whilst I was reading earlier and I just had like a couple hours of unadulterated reading, I just felt so much better in my soul. I think I've been feeling a bit just meh today, but reading my book I felt so much better, so I feel like I must read, and the fact that I haven't been reading as much as I usually do has been affecting me in my soul. So yeah, I was feeling good after that, so yeah, I am tempted to just tick off the final thing of the list and get something else that I've been wanting to do done and finish my book. But we'll see how I go. I have to get up for a PT session at 9, but then again, Zach and I don't have as busy of a day tomorrow. We're gonna go pumpkin picking. I've never been before. We're gonna take Indy. I've never been pumpkin picking before. I can't remember the last time I even carved a pumpkin. So that's the task for tomorrow, and I reckon because we've got this stuff done, we could maybe have kind of a chiller day. I've got my PT session, then we've got a meeting with our architect, and then we're going to go pumpkin picking. So I guess I don't have to be super well rested for those things. I mean, ideally for your PT session you should be well rested, but anyway you guys, I'm gonna head to bed. Thank you for watching today through my slightly meh but very productive day. I am feeling excited about pumpkin picking tomorrow. I'm so excited to read another book. Like, I'm loving A Suitable Boy, but I am getting to the end of it, and it's been a long journey. I feel like I'm so excited to pick a new book off the shelves, so I've been thinking about that. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.